Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for the ASUS A17 FA706IH TUF gaming laptop. A 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM RAM module. If you're finding your A17 is struggling with demanding games or multitasking, this could be the solution you've been searching for. This particular module is specifically designed to be compatible with the ASUS TUF A17 FA706IH, which takes the guesswork out of finding the right memory. It boasts a capacity of 16GB, a significant boost for smoother gameplay, faster loading times, and improved overall system responsiveness. The speed is DDR4PC4-25600, running at 3200 MHz. This faster speed allows your processor to access data more quickly, translating to a noticeable performance improvement in various tasks. The form factor is a 260-pin non-ECC SODIMM, which is the standard for laptops. It operates at a voltage of 1.2 V, which is energy efficient and helps to keep your laptop running cooler. One of the best things about this memory module is that it's system-specific. This means it's been tested and guaranteed to work with the ASUS TUF A17 FA706IH TUF gaming. It also comes with a lifetime warranty and toll-free technical support, which provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered if you encounter any issues. It's also ROHS and halogen-free. This is a great thing for the environment. Upgrading your laptop's RAM is one of the most cost-effective ways to improve its performance. If you're looking to breathe new life into your ASUS A17 FA706IH TUF gaming, this 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM RAM module is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.